Hi, boys and girls. Yesterday, you learned how to use a website to research your topic. The website that you were exploring was Kiddle. You learned how to type into the search bar, how to click the magnifying glass, how to click different links, how to scroll, how to find videos, and how to search the web. I want to show you another resource that's available to you for learning about your animal. So you will probably see this slide a few times during your research. So just know that whenever you see the slide, you're able to just click on the animal, and that will bring you to another resource where you'll get more information. So I'm going to click on the animal that I'm researching, and I'm researching zebras, as you saw yesterday. So I'm going to click that, and now I'm brought to a new slideshow. This slideshow houses the other resource. So sometimes you can use Kiddle to search and learn information about your topic, and sometimes you can use this other resource. So again, it says nonfiction. Let's research. Click on the image to learn more about the topic you are researching. So again, I'm going to click on zebras, and it's going to bring me to slide 3. Topic, zebras. Oh, here's that website. So just in case I need to go on to Kiddle, I can just access it straight through the slide. But this says Zebra Nonfiction Read Alouds. So on Kiddle, we saw a lot of websites that maybe our mommies or daddies had to read to us, or we had to try to read. This is another resource to use, and these are books. These are books that are being read to you. These are read alouds. So there are 3 different books. You can pick one, you can pick 2, you can read all of them at your own pace and listen for the information that you are looking for. Remember, you want to learn about what the animal looks like, what the animal's diet is, what they eat, what their habitat is, where they live, and any other interesting fact that you want to share or that you didn't know. So I'm going to click this video. Excuse me, it's not a video, it's a read aloud. And I can click this box to make it bigger, to take up my whole screen. Oops.
Zebras are members of the horse family.
No, I don't.
The 3 main kinds of zebras live in Africa.
Because I'm not sure if the program that I'm using will record it, so I'm just going to keep it small. But when you are working at home, I do want you to make this screen bigger.
Many zebras live in grasslands. They also live in dry, rocky places.
Wow, that was one of the answers right away to one of my research questions about where they live. When you are listening to these read alouds, I want you to have your Post-its handy. You should be jotting down important information. Jot down the facts that you're hearing that answer the research questions. So one research question was, what is your animal's habitat? So let me listen for that again.
Zebras are members of the horse family. The 3 main kinds of zebras live in Africa. Many zebras live in grasslands. They also live in dry, rocky places.
I'm going to jot that down. Grassland, dry, rocky places. Or I can draw a sketch, a quick sketch. I can draw some grass and rocks to help me remember what their habitat is. So I'm going to continue listening to the read aloud and jotting down important information. Remember last week you learned how to jot. You can write down words, you can write the sentence, you can draw quick sketches, but save those jots since you don't have a book to stick it in. Save it somewhere safe so that you have the information handy. So I'm going to stop there and I will go back. So if you're researching about elephants, click on elephants. It'll bring you to slide 4, and there are 3 different read alouds for elephants. It also says here, You can also research your topic using books from home or in your reading workshop book bag. You might have books from home about your topic or books in your book bag. You can use your own books too. If you don't have it, that's fine. When you see this picture will bring you back to your week slideshow. It'll bring you back to this page, to this slideshow. So that is another resource that you have available. You have read alouds for your topic, the giraffes, read alouds for zebras, read alouds for elephants, and for lions. So make sure that when you're going through your read alouds that you have your post-its and you're jotting down the important information and saving it somewhere safe.